In this video, I'll guide you through how to add an email signature to Dubsado. Adding an email signature to your Dubsado account is a simple way to make your emails look more professional and consistent. Whether you want to include your name, business name, contact information, or a short closing message, setting up a signature means it can automatically appear on your emails, helping you save time while maintaining a polished appearance. To get started, sign into your Dubsado account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're logged in, look toward the menu area where your account name is displayed. Click on your account name to open the account menu. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This is where you can customize various options related to your Dubsado account, including your email preferences and communication settings. After the settings page opens, look for the email section and click on it. This area contains the options related to sending emails from your Dubsado account. Here, you can configure settings that affect how your outgoing emails appear to clients. Once you're inside the email settings, scroll down until you find the signature section. This is where you'll create or edit the signature that will be added to your emails. Click inside the signature box and enter the text you'd like to use. You can include your name, your business name, your job title, contact details, or any other information you'd like clients to see at the end of your messages. Take a moment to review your signature to make sure everything is formatted the way you want. Since this signature may appear on many of your outgoing emails, it's a good idea to double-check that all the information is accurate before saving your changes. When you're satisfied with your signature, scroll to the bottom of the page if necessary and click Save. After your changes are saved, your new email signature will be available for future emails you send through Dubsado. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added an email signature to your Dubsado account. Having a consistent signature helps your emails look more professional while making it easier for clients to identify and contact you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.